Diplomacy is very important. Many times we win all our battles, but we lose diplomatically. We're talking about this diplomacy, conflict, war situation movie on inspirational Field Marshal Manekshaw. Today I stumbled upon a Zomato advertisement, today itself an hour ago, wherein the honorable Bollywood actor who plays Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw, he is seen giving out notifications for pohas and jalebis. In that Zomato advertisement, he's playing the role of Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw. So disheartening to see a legend's legacy being diminished to mere comedy. Why? Because a movie is getting released. He was a real life legend, not a real life hero. But sadly today, a real life hero will carry forward his legacy by these commercials. His legacy deserves honor, reverence, not commercial exploitation. Zomato will sell pohas using Field Marshal Manekshaw's name because they can easily buy that real life hero, but not the legacy of Field Marshal Manekshaw. He was the first Indian Army officer who was conferred this title, Field Marshal, the highest military rank in the Indian Army. 1971 war, a remarkable war, was perhaps one of the shortest, most successful military campaign in modern history. Most of us today associate that war with Indira Gandhi, but in truest sense, truest honesty, it was the outstanding leadership of Field Marshal Manekshaw that led to decisive victory for India. 1 year later happened what? Shimla Agreement? I truly wish that Field Marshal Manekshaw was on the negotiating table, but that didn't happen. Bhutto won the eventual war in Shimla, diplomatically. It is often said that India won the battle in Bangladesh, but lost the war in Shimla. Why? What did we get out of that war? When India walked into the Shimla Agreement, India had significant bargaining chip in the form of Pakistani prisoners of war. Around 90,000 Pakistani soldiers were under our influence. They were our prisoners. India had captured significant territory, and we should have used those advances to negotiate more concrete terms for Kashmir. Kashmir issue could have been solved during the Shimla Agreement. Bhutto, when he came to the meeting, knew in his mind Kashmir is gone forever, at least the one that they've occupied. But none of that happened. Pakistan still controls major parts of Kashmir that truly belonged to India. And despite the military genius of Field Marshal Manekshaw, he eventually lost the diplomatic war in Shimla. We rarely talk about it, but diplomatic wars are the most important wars. I truly hope that our legend's legacy does not just get diminished to mere comedy. When I saw that Zomato advertisement, unfortunate, disrespectful. How a real life hero can carry forward his legacy to print advertising money for himself. And sadly, we all will have infatuation for real life heroes. Today he's doing ads for Zomato, playing the role of Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw. Tomorrow he'll do Vimal, Pan Masala with the same legacy.